I'm Phil Nordella. Welcome to my master classes. Okay, let's talk open houses. So, you actually have signed the contract, they put you in the MLS, and your realtor calls up and says, hey, you know what, let's do an open house. And you say, you know, absolutely, that's what I see on TV, people sell homes through open houses, and that's a terrific thing. However, let's talk about the truth about open houses. Now, I'm not negative about open houses, I actually like them and I do them all the time. In fact, I've sold quite a few homes by doing an open house and have somebody come in and actually buy the home. Now, however, here's the situation. You have to understand, number one, the open house is as much for the realtor as it is for the seller. When I say that, the chance of the realtor getting a buyer that they can sell something else to is way greater than them actually selling your house. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is, you should consider having an agreement with your realtor that says during that open house, if they happen to sell the property and they're representing the buyer, they should give you a small discount on the commission. Something to keep in the back of your mind, okay? So, pros and cons. The pros, anything that you can do when it comes to marketing your property, they say real estate's a numbers game. Yeah, that's great. Real estate's a numbers game. Whatever you can do to bring the numbers up gives you a greater chance of actually selling the property. My ultimate goal for everybody that I list is I would like to get multiple offers so I can actually get them vying against each other to get the offer up. So, we know that it will help you when it comes to the numbers if you do an open house. Let's go over one of the cons. Security. If you have an open house, please do me a favor. Take your jewelry, put it away. Take your medicines and put it away. What'll happen is some people sometimes, it's never happened to me, but I've heard it happens. Sometimes people will come in and they will actually, one person will stay downstairs, another person will stay upstairs, and then all of a sudden they come downstairs and they leave and you realize, oh, they took some of my medicine. Or they took something from the house. Like I said, if you're careful, it will never happen, but it could. So that's one of the things that you have to be careful of. Also, the other thing is, you have to understand that if you have 10 couples come through your open house, 5 of them are going to be neighbors. A lot of times people don't want the neighbors coming through, so they won't do open houses, but you have to understand, it's an open house, anybody actually can do it, okay? Or actually can go there. So just understand, a lot of people are actually going to be neighbors. They're going to be nosy neighbors, all right? So, open houses, again, absolutely not a problem. Chance of them selling it is pretty slim, but if they do work out a deal that says that the agent will discount their commission by a little bit, not by a lot, but by a little bit, if they actually are lucky enough to have a buyer coming off the street. And the second thing is just make sure, no matter what, that you actually protect yourself, put away your jewelry, put away your medicines, and good luck.